and Vanakkam. This is Khyati Thakur, your host for Dev Shilp Infra's YouTube channel. We are in the heart of Anna Nagar exploring Vivekanand Sir's house, and we have done their interiors with a lot of heart and would love to showcase the same to you. Entering the same is this living room. We have a 5-seater sitting space right here. As we pan, we see a see-through panel connecting both the living rooms of the same floor so that you can see if your guests are right here, seated, waiting if the meeting is still going on, with a beautiful design. We have our wallpaper right in the center, accompanied by fluted panels on both the sides. These fluted panels are very regularly available in the market, most commonly available in the market, but what makes us different is we have used teak wood in this to give a perfect finish. As you can see, the room is very beautifully lit because we have very nice false ceiling and lighting provided. The panel that we saw there, also we have a mini panel here because it connects to the kitchen and to the dining area. The idea, like you see, has been to give good connectivity in the house. Everywhere that you go, you are able to see what is happening in the other corner of the house. If you have guests, if you have family members, or even if you want to converse, this makes it easier and you have an idea of what is happening throughout the house. We now step inside the main living room. As soon as you come here, my first focus is on this chandelier light. And we walk straight into, you see with these fluted panels, there's a door opening to a beautiful puja room. Walking forward is a spacious living hall with sofa and a big window which has sliding doors in it for good ventilation, and you also have blinding curtains that can close if you want absolute privacy. Like we saw in the previous hall, here is the see-through panel. Along with the beautiful wallpaper, we have the console table right here. And for the ease of commutation, we've also provided with a lift right here. As we walk down, I would like to talk about the beautiful flooring. This yellow flooring that you see is come from the beautiful city of Kota. I am now going to take you inside bedroom number 1. With a beautiful ceiling lighting and the cupboard which is spacious enough to fit 2 or 3 people's wardrobe, we see that we have a seating area right here in order to read books, have your cup of coffee, and in case you want some light, right near the kitchen, we have the attached dining room where we see that there is a 4-seater round dining table. Not just food, but I think we share a lot of memories here, which is why dining room in every house is really special. Next to it, we have the space for the wash basin, a sleek design, very comfortable, making sure that you enjoy your meal perfectly. As we enter, after looking at the 4-seater round dining table, we've come to the kitchen, the most special part of every house, because this is where they cook with a lot of love and they spend most of the time here. Don't you think most memories are made here? Here we see that instead of granite, we've used a full body tile. You might ask why? Full body tile, and this one's of 15 mm thickness, is not just scratch resistant, but it is also water resistant and color resistant, which means that any oil, any water that might spill onto this, it's not going to seep in, but you can easily clear it off without leaving any stains. If you see that we have the tandem runners with profile shutter, while I open this, you see that there is a really nice cutlery tray which is organized, giving it easy access, storage, and managing your cutlery efficiently. Right next to it, we have the oil pull-out. This cabinet serves as a very good storage space for all your oil needs. And then you see that the tile height has been a little elevated. This has been custom fit in order to store your dishwasher. So that's why this whole tile looks like one, because the arrangement is made in a specific way, customized per the client's requirements, that it looks like one, and we have the dishwasher right here. Before I move on to the staircase, let me show you this cabinet, which acts as a great storage cabinet right below the staircase, saving you a lot of space. This window, it comes with timber wood with varnish finishing. That's what the panel is about. And to give you a nostalgic feel of old Madras, how the windows used to have the grills, that's why we provided these grills, giving you a reminiscing feeling of the same, and a touch of modernity with these sliding door windows which comes along with the mosquito net. This beautiful staircase consists of the metal with a glass partition, and these yellow staircase that you see has come all the way from Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. It is the Jaisalmer's yellow marble. While I turn around, here is the space of the first floor. To keep a touch with our ancestors, to keep a lineage and heritage alive in all of us, this table and chair that you see right here is 50 years old and is made of pure rosewood. And to keep a touch, the client requested that they would like to have this chair and desk here, remembering their ancestors and their lineage. Back opposite, we see this beautiful artwork on the wall, which also poses as just the perfect backdrop for all your pictures. Talking to you about the flooring in the ground floor, there's one more point that I'd like to add. This is the green kota with a white marble border line and the yellow kota right beside it. Now you might wonder why we specifically chose to use this particular kota, right? Well, it's not just cost efficient, but it also has a great shelf life. And nevertheless to say, it looks stunning when you fit it in the house because it has some reflective properties, making it absolutely good in the pictures and for you to live in. इंटीरियर्स की बात करते हैं तब अक्सर ऐसा लगता है कि इंटीरियर्स खाली सिर्फ वुड वर्क के साथ प्ले करते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट दैट. हियर एट देवशिल्प वी आल्सो एक्सेल एट डूइंग वुडन पैनल्स विद सिविल मटेरियल्स. लाइक एन एग्जांपल आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू द वन वॉल बिहाइंड मी. ये आके प्लास्टर से नहीं बना हुआ है, इसको पहले हमने वुड से इसको शेप दिया और इसके ऊपर हमने पीओपी पनिंग. सो वी अटैच ब्यूटीफुल पीओपी पनिंग, गिविंग इट द कार्व एंड शेप जस्ट लाइक हाउ द क्लाइंट वांटेड. Moving on to my right is the door to, one second, yes. As I open, you see that this is a beautiful and spacious balcony giving the view of the residential area. And when I said spacious, I meant it because as you can see, it's a huge balcony. I think if you want to sit down here for a cup of tea or coffee in the evening with your entire family, this can very well be the space for it. As you can see above me is the beautifully fitted panel with strip light. I know it's daylight right now, but in the evening it's going to give you a very pleasant view. Behind me is this textured wall, and without finishing it, just with the textured wall, we thought of giving a good marble with grooves right next to it so that it can blend more beautifully with these wooden panel windows. Welcome to the bedroom number 2. As you enter here, you see that it's a spacious bedroom with cabinets right behind me. Instead of going for laminate finish, we've gone for deco finish, giving it a really nice glossy look and enough storage to have all your clothes, your work materials, your study materials fitted in. We have some slabs right here in order to save any memoirs that you got. Well, this is my favorite corner. If you can sit here in the evening for a cup of coffee or read your books, this will be your space because there is also a rolling curtain right here which gives you enough light and ventilation to bring into the room. While I move here, you see this one right behind me. We Indians have a problem. We usually store all our clothes at the hanging behind the door. In order to solve the same, we here at Devshilp have brought you a solution. This is like a hidden cabinet. If you open, you can hang in your clothes right here and the solution is sorted. No more looking at the guests on what the clothes are going to be. We have a beautiful panel right here with provision for TV, and we have the TV pull-out drawers right below. Walking here is our walk-in wardrobe with a full-size mirror, and to my left, I have the washroom as well, giving you enough space to store your skincare and makeup essentials. This is our guest bedroom with timber wood on my side, and the door we see a vinyl finishing along with laminate. And we have a sliding wardrobe to fit in all your guests' needs. The favorite corner that I was mentioning to you in all the rooms is also present here in our guest bedroom, which is this seater area, giving your guests also the privilege and access to enjoy their cup of coffee or read a book in privacy with beautiful lighting provided right here. As we walk right here, we see that there is this cabinet with wooden louvers in order to hide your electrical unit. Right next to it is this mirror, which is spacious enough to get ready, coming with 3 lighting options, which is warm, neutral and white. See that? Giving you the perfect space and lighting to get ready. Alright, thank you so much. Bye. With that, we come towards the end of this house tour. But the door that you see right behind me, the entry door of this house, has been beautifully made with Brahmastic timber wood, giving it a contemporary style of design. Just the right entrance, bringing a smile to your face. Yes, this is the one. With that, we come towards the end of the house tour, and it was great feeling explaining these interiors that we have done with so much of love and effort for our client. If you'd like any other interior needs sorted, you know whom to contact. Contact us at Dev Shilp. The contact details will be mentioned below in the caption, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment for more such videos. Bye!